Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy. I am the owner of Root and Dagger. We are a health and wellness online store where we sell bulk herbs. We have herbal salves. We have herbal body oils. We also have some crystals, I believe, available in our shop. We also included some herbal kits, which are 9 starter herbs that you can add to your herbal kitchen, available as well on the site. So head over to rootanddagger.com and check us out. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to prepare herbal decoctions and herbal infusions. So grab your paper and your pen and let's get started. As you can see, I am taking some red raspberry leaf, and this is a great nutritive tonic for your uterus. And what I'm doing is adding about, I think, what is this? A tablespoon of red raspberry leaf, and I'm going to just add it to my mason jar. And what I'm going to do is I have already gotten some boiled water, and I'm going to add the water to the mason jar with the herb inside so that it can infuse. Now, when you're drinking tea, it's, they tell you to steep it for 3 to 5 minutes, and that's if just you're enjoying it for pleasure. If you're drinking tea for medicinal purposes and you're making an infusion, you want the tea to infuse for about 20. I usually do about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how strong you want the tea to be. I know I'm touching my wrist as though I have a watch, but that's just to tell you to let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. And so that way you'll be able to see the tea doing its thing. So that's just a basic understanding of your herbal infusion, your herbal tea infusion. I apologize for the for the camera going sideways. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's very difficult. But in this video, you'll see here that I took about, I believe, a tablespoon of the chaste tree berries and added it to my cup of water. I want to say I used about maybe 2 cups of water here, or about a cup. I honestly can't remember, y'all. But this is where you'll see, as the chaste tree boils, you'll see the color starts to change. And then once I bring it to a boil, I'm gonna lower my heat, and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And yeah, so that's basically the gist of what an herbal infusion is and what a herbal decoction is. And so we're gonna go back to my herbal infusion so you can see what it looks like. You see how the color has changed. It's rich, it's dark. And so I usually like to leave my infusions in sometimes overnight in the fridge. It really depends on what my goal is. And so but you can just leave it for 20 minutes and kind of see how the color is changing, and then you can go ahead and proceed to use your milk bag, like what I have here, to discard the rest of the herbs. And milk bags can be purchased on Amazon. I actually need to get some more. And so, we're done. I've already, you watched me pour the contents of what's in the mason jar into my nut bag so that I could strain the tea. And I put it back into my jar, and I'll be able to enjoy it later. One thing you want to do when you are making your decoctions and you are making your herbal infusions, you want to label your jars. Sometimes, I had to learn this the hard way. I would say to myself, oh, I'm going to remember what that is, and I'm not. because we get distracted and we come back and we're like, what was that herb again? And you're just not going to remember. So make sure you get your jar ready. Make it a habit to put the Latin name of the herb that you're working with, and also the date. I don't think I wrote the Latin name on this one. I can't remember. I just wanted to make this video to show you all the difference between an herbal infusion and a decoction. But get in the habit of labeling your jars. Trust me, it's going to save you a lot of headache. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.